Hey guys, if you're getting Windows 11 error code 0xC004F063, don't panic. This error is related to Windows activation and usually means the product key doesn't match your system edition. You will often see this error after reinstalling Windows, changing editions, or using an OEM or volume license key. We will fix this step by step, starting with the fastest checks. First, open Settings, go to System, then Activation. Check which Windows 11 edition you're running, like Home or Pro, because the product key must match it exactly. If the edition is wrong, click Change Product Key and enter the correct key for your edition. If the edition is correct but activation still fails, make sure you're connected to the internet and disable any VPN temporarily. Now press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type slmgr/atu and press Enter to force Windows to activate again. Wait a few seconds and see if activation completes successfully. If you see the same error again, sign in with your Microsoft account, especially if your license is linked to your account. Select "This is the device I'm using right now" and confirm the activation. If activation still fails, open Command Prompt as Administrator once more, type slmgr/ipk followed by your genuine Windows 11 product key, then press Enter. After the key is installed, type slmgr/aa2 and press Enter again. Restart your computer and check the activation status. If the error still appears, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus software and try activating again. In most cases, matching the correct Windows edition with the right product key completely fixes this error. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more Windows 11 fixes, and I will see you in the next one.